What's up everybody? Thanks for joining me on this tutorial today. I will be showing you how to use freelance workers on Fiverr to help you create experiences that you can embed into your campaign. These would be your rich media experiences that you don't have the ability or they're not within your organization to create. So those would be your animated GIFs, your 3D content, your parallax, your video content, things of that nature. So we've curated a directory of preferred freelance workers that we've worked with for our own personal projects as well as projects with some of our content creators. So to find them, scroll all the way down to the footer of our website. For our members, click on Fiverr directory and you'll see a list. They're organized by the type of work they do. So the category, 3D animation, 3D rendering, animated GIFs, NFT designs, parallax animation. What else do we have here? Photo design. We also have a video gig worker on here as well. So if you need any of these specific experiences created, these are trusted Fiverr users we've used in the past. So if you're looking to do any 3D animation, for instance, you can click on View Gig and you can scroll through this individual's listing on Fiverr to see how what they do can apply for your campaign. Scroll through 3D rendering. So this is a good example of if you have a product that you're showcasing within your brochure or your catalog. You can have multiple galleries embedded into that AR experience. And this could be different angles and 3D renderings of your product to give it some realism or lifelike looks. Same thing with animated GIFs. If you want to have an animated GIF created that would be specific to your campaign, so when the individual clicks on it, so here's some examples. So you can use this gig worker to create an animated GIF that would be embedded into your experience. Let's see, animated GIF, NFT design. If you're looking to create an NFT that you want to have embedded into your experiences, same thing. These are trusted Fiverr workers who are reliable. They do phenomenal work. We've used them ourselves and we've had great feedback from other content creators on InterApp that have used them as well. Parallax animation, this is great for if you want to do a 3D, or I'm sorry, a slideshow with the, as an AR experience. But the cool thing about this is parallax. So you can come through, watch the video, you can see what we mean specifically. And photo design. So if you need any photo design, Photoshop editing, photo manipulation, this is a great gig worker for that specific type of content creation for you as well. So I would just encourage you guys to go through that directory, look for specific gig workers that could help you out creating these AR experiences. So if you have an animated GIF created, or even if you do a parallax animation, those types of experiences you would host on Jiffy, and then you would take that Jiffy link and then go through the content creator, InterApp content creator to embed that. So we have a whole nother tutorial on that if you have not gone through that experience yet. But just want to come to you today to show you that we do have a directory here that you can use. So if you need any type of rich media content created for you, come to this directory, find a specific freelancer that can help you out with that. And also feel free to use Fiverr. It's a great resource to use to find freelancers to help you with any type of project, especially if you want to have AR experiences created that you can embed into your content. Thanks for joining us. We'll have more great tutorials for you coming soon so you can continue to enjoy and create amazing experiences on the InterApp platform.